Alright, today we're going to do a range test with the Zino, so let's give it a shot. So it's a very cloudy day out, and I have 10 satellites. It should be good to go. I wish I had some more, but we're going to go ahead and get it up in the air. So I'll take off. I'll start recording. Switch to video and hit record. Alright, we'll just take out, we'll go out and which way we'll go? We'll go straight out this way and up. And we'll keep pushing out. So it says it'll go 1,000 meters. We'll see. 700. This is how I have my antennas oriented. $900. A little bit of breakup starting. Till it might have lost it now. So just about 1,000 meters. There it is, 1,000. Just want to see the 1,000, and then I'll bring it back. There we go. So I'll go ahead and hit return to home. It's turned around and it's coming home. So we'll look on the map, see where it is. I didn't preload the map, so hopefully it's coming home. Yep, automatic return. That's where it is now. So it's taking a while to reconnect. Okay, so once it reconnects, it goes out of return to home, so that might need to be fixed. So we'll hit return to home again. Okay, so now we'll hit return to home again. Alright, so now it has a good enough signal to where we can see it. So just, if you lose signal, just wait on it. It'll catch up eventually. And but just know whenever you regain signal, it will go into GPS hold. It doesn't continue to return to home. So I have to see if that's an option in there. Alright, so that's about it. We'll go ahead and let it come home. And I just wanted to see if it went out to 1,000 meters, and it seemed to do that. But you're going to have some breakups once you get over 900. So I would safely say not to go the full 1,000. And just keep it close and keep it safe. Alright, if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.